Hello students, this is our MS Word document. You can see the name of our school is written here. I have written it 3 times. Now watch first that all the alphabets are of the same type. Stepping Stone Model School is repeated 3 times in same style. Today I will show you how can you change the style of your text. Different line will be written in different style. Also notice the size. The default size is 11. When you open the MS Word, it will give you size 11 by default. But here I have increased the size to size 26. You can set a size of your choice. We have done this in our earlier video. First, I will show you how to make your text bold. Making your text bold means the selected text will become thicker and darker than the rest of the text. Let us select the first line. Here I am showing you by selecting line, you can select a word or an alphabet also. I will show you everything. After selecting, move here. You can see it is written B, I and U. Take the pointer to the B. It is written here bold and in bracket Ctrl plus B means the shortcut key is Ctrl plus B. If you don't want it to do with your mouse, you can use your keyboard also. Select the text and press Ctrl plus B. The text will become bold, or you can click here. On clicking here, you can see the text has become darker and thicker. The first line is darker and thicker than the rest of the lines. Now I will show you how to make it inclined. This text is straight. I will show you. You can change the style by making it inclined also. Inclined is for I for italics. It will become italic, and the shortcut for making it italic is Ctrl plus I. In your keyboard you can press the Ctrl button and I simultaneously to make the selected text italic. Now I will click here on the I and you will notice the change. Can you see? The text is italic now. The first one is thick, it is bold. The second one is slightly tilted towards the right. This is italic. I will show how to give underline to your text. Suppose a particular name or something important you want to highlight by underlining the text. You can do it like this. Select the text, click on U. Here again the shortcut is Ctrl plus U. Click on U. A line has come below the text. Single I have shown bold, italic and underline. All the things can be done at the same time. Say this one, stepping. This stepping is in italic. I want to make it bold and italic both. I will go on bold. This is bold and italic both. Now how will you know that this is bold and italic? I will show you once again. Say this part. I want to make this bold, italic and underline. On selecting the text, notice here this I got highlighted. Means this selected text is in italic. Now if I want to make it bold, I'll click on bold and now see, we have already seen that this part is italic and bold, and notice here bold and italic both are highlighted, means It is showing that the selected text is in bold and italic also. Let me click on underline and see what happens. The selected text is now bold, italic and underline. You can undo. You can undo what you have done by clicking it again. Say I want to keep it italic and underline. I don't want to keep it bold. So I will click on bold again. One click on bold. This B was highlighted, no? The B was yellow earlier. Now it has become blue and the text is also not bold now. It is only italic and underline. You can give effect to a single alphabet also. Say this M. I just want to underline this M. I will go on U and just the M is underlined now. If I want to undo this bold, I will select it and click on bold. It is showing that B is highlighted, means it is showing that the selected text is bold. Click on B again. This is no more bold now. I want to make this italic and underline. Italic and underline. So I hope children you have understood this, how to make these changes. We will learn something new in our next video. Goodbye.